Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making a hot chocolate.
What is that, Baba?
The milk.
Okay, first you put some milk in the cup and then
Pour some.
what is that, Mama?
Powder.
Powder.
Take the candy cane. Now take some. Now put some marshmallows. Oh. Now we stir it. Now we put the candy cane. We stir it again. Now we taste it. Yummy!
Yeah, I mean, that's awesome. So would you share the hot chocolate? Hey, why not? I want to taste it. Oh, look at you. Oh my god, I think you're going to finish this hot chocolate. Good job, Baba.
They're already moving.
Yeah. Okay. Do you want to say bye?